Welcome to another episode of Ed's Vlog. For today's video, nandito kami sa UP Ayala Techno Hub dahil meron kaming flu vaccination. Kumain nga pala kami dito sa Tokyo. Tara at panoorin na ang buong video.
Hello guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Nandito ngayon sa UP Techno Hub. We're having flu vaccine today. Papaturok tayo with Sam. Say hi. Ayan.
Pause lang, bakit sobrang liwanag nito?
Okay na yan siguro. Baka kukunin na ako ni Lord. Charot. Maputilan talaga. So, ayun na nga guys. Tapos na tayo magpa-vaccine.
Kaso hindi na natin na i-vlog.
Pero okay lang. Di naman masakit. Di naman ako umiyak. Etchos. Pauwi na tayo. Pero bago tayo umuwi, syempre kakain muna tayo. Dahil ang layo ng biyahe natin. Hahanap muna tayo ng makakain. So, meron tayo
Sushi.
California mac. Ito mo na may wasabi. Lagi maangkin. Maanghang mo. Sabihan mo sa...
Di ba gusto mo yung kimchi? O, kimchi ano? Sanay ka
Sige.
na.
Kay kuya mo ito makikitikim lang siya. Yes. Dapat madami. Masarap yung mangga. Sige na, buso mo yan. Kaya mo. Share na lang tayo ng jelly dessert. Jelly dessert. Pork tonkatsu. I have chicken karabu and pork tonkatsu rin pizza. Siyempre walang gulay dahil hindi naman siya kumakain ng gulay. Charan! Wala? Ha? Yan pa'y bagong luto.
Hindi siya init.
Feeling ka naman, hindi ka naman mag-exercise kasi madami yung kanin. Hindi pa mauubos isang kanin.
Masarap.
Ang gulay. Ha?
Mamaya. superhero suits.
Life, we don't know what it is, so I'm asking why. We just spend the days and struggle to survive. That's my fate. Sublime. When the puppet makes you think you love to find, then you realize what's wrong with paradise. To get paid, you need to earn it every day. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view. Letting you feel the front of your soul, and all the stress and pain is start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. Try, never suck you from head to toe, but try. They'll step on your head and maybe you'll be crucified. But someday you have a turn with the game. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view. Letting you feel the flow of your soul, and all the stress and pain you start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own.
Tapos na tayo kumain. So, pauwi na tayo ulit. Ayun lang. Ang short, namin, short run today. Ano yung ganap natin for today?